everyone. This topic thinking. What is thinking? Thought, also called thinking, it is a mental process in which the being from the psychological association and the models of the world thinking. It is a manipulating information as when we from the concept engage in the problem solving reason and the make decision. Thought, the act of the thinking produce thought. Thinking produce thought. Abstract thinkings are the able to the relate seemingly random. Repeat. Abstract thinking are the able to the relate similarly random thinking with each other. He is the because they can see the bigger picture. They make the connection that other find difficult to the see. Analytical thinkings like to the separate the whole into its basic part in order to the examine these part and their relationship. They are the great problem solves are the have to the sophisticated and is the method is by the approaching takes solves and have the structured and the methodical why or the approaching takes. Creative think outside the box and will come up with the ignorance solution to the solve their dilemmas in life. They like to the break away from the tradition and the norms of the society when it comes to the new ideas and wise of the thinking. Concrete thinking forces on the physical world. Rather than the abstract one. It is all about thinking of objects or ideas as the specific items rather than as the theoretical representation of the more granular ideas. Representation of a more general ideas. Critical thinking takes analytical thinking. UPA level critical thinking accesses careful evaluation or the feed gradient in the order to the determine the outer thinking accuracy, worth, validity or the value of the something and the rather than suddenly breaking down the information. Correction thinking explains other elements that have and the influence of the collection. Convergent thinking is the process of the combining a finite number. Convergent thinking is the process of the combining and the finite number of the perspectivities of the ideas to the find the single solution. Convergent things will the together. That possibility are the converge theme in word to the come up in the solution. In words to come up with a solution. Divergent thinking. Why the context divergent thinking? It is the opposite of the convergent thinking. It is the why of the exploring. And the infinite number of the solution to find one that it effective. So instead of the standing of the with a set number of the possibilities and the conversion on and the Answer, it goes at the for and the whites at the necessary. While at the necessary and moves outward in the search of the solution. Outward in the search of the solution. Convergent thinking. Muscles analytical and the concrete type of the thinking. If you are the convergent thinking, you are the more likely to be the and the analytical of the concrete thinking. You are the generally able to the logically process thoughts, so you can use your ability to remain cool and the calm in the times of the turmoil. Cool and the calm in the times of the turmoil. Thank you guys.